Hello, today I will show you how to install our zip blinds. First, we need to open the package. Check the parts according to the list. Take out all the parts, include cover box, guide rail, remote, and the screws. Next, we will open the package of the guide rail. And take out the plastic rail. Remove the screws. Take out the rail cover. Insert the guide rail into the bottom of the box. And fix the screw. This is the bracket we use for the demonstration. Now let's start to install the blinds. Align the guide rail with the bracket. Fix the screw. Measure the space between the guide rail. Make sure the distance are the same. Use a level ruler to check the levelness of the blinds. Inspect the guide rail, make its levelness. Inspect the cover box and make its levelness. Now we will install the rail cover. Fix the screws. Install the plastic rail. Insert the zipper into a V-shaped groove. Turn on the power supply and test the operation of the blinds. The operation is normal and all the installation is completed.